When you start developing your own mobile applications or apps, being aware of ways to create apps efficiently will become invaluable. As you can imagine, the ability to get started quickly with app development is one of the things developers look out for when choosing a development environment for writing code. Luckily, many integrated development environments, or IDEs, ensure that there is at least a base code for any developer to use. They also offer developers a sneak peek at what a particular language has to offer. More specifically, these IDEs provide project templates that follow specific design principles and coding best practices to get you up to speed on creating beautiful functional apps. These code templates can be used to quickly create new app modules, activities, or other components of your project. Android Studio, which is an IDE used for developing Android apps, provides starter code for various basic implementations of the Android platform. With Android Studio, you can select from a wide range of app modules and class activity templates when creating a project. One popular use case of templates is adding new activities to an existing app project. For example, imagine you want to create a login screen where your users can log into your app. Well, with the login activity template, you can get that feature implemented in less time. Let's take a moment to explore a few of the templates available on Android Studio, namely the Basic Activity Template, Bottom Navigation Activity Template, and Empty Activity Template. The Basic Activity Template allows you to create a base code for your app that includes common user interface or UI components. This will form a base project to which you can add more code. If you ever want to use bottom navigation for quick navigation within your app, the Bottom Navigation Activity Template is the easiest way to get started with it. This activity lets your users explore and switch between top-level or key screens of your app with a single tap. The Empty Activity Template allows you to start building your app from the very beginning. No initial codebase is included in this template. This kind of template works best if you already have a project structure in place. Now that you know more about project templates, let's outline some of the benefits of using them. The first advantage of using project templates is that they offer a clear understanding of the project structure. The templates provide you with a structure that meets the best practices recommended by the operating system or OS manufacturer. Next, as mentioned earlier, project templates give you a preview of what the platform has to offer. This way, you can get insight into how things work behind the scenes before investing your time in learning how to build apps for that platform. Last but certainly not least, project templates allow you to build quickly. You can start building apps in minutes just by using inbuilt project templates. You should now understand what project templates are and be able to list some of their benefits. You've also been given a sneak peek at the kinds of templates available in the Android Studio and can look forward to learning more about what this IDE has to offer you as a future developer.